gotta.
Oh, I'm still recording.
All right, I'm recording.
All right, so here's a pile of crates up here. All right, so because there are so many new people, so we've got 10 empties we're gonna pile up, and then 12 full crates we'll let go. So when you release the birds, you want to turn them away from you, open all the latches, let them go, make sure they've all flown, because sometimes the hens hide in the hay. There should be 4. Close it up, put the latches back, and
Stack them up.
stack them up. Sounds good plan. Alright, so let's
Yeah, buddy.
put
No, you gotta have that, sweetie.
right where you guys are standing. These are empty. Yeah.
No, they got 12 birds in there.
I've never stalked birds. This is my 3rd time pheasant hunting.
These guys are all set up here. Yeah, we just let them know not to. Yeah, I hope. Just for everybody's sake. I got peppered down here last year.
Emma, you want to grab one?
So you open all the latches and then open the top. And face them away from you because they come out pretty quickly.
Can you grab it?
Here, you and Emma can do one. Here, bring it right over here.
Oh my gosh, I can see the birds.
Can you?
Yes, I can.
All right. Here's the latches.
Yep, I know that. I've done that.
I know. I want to help Gracie wants to open one up.
Go ahead.
That's like the guinea pig latches. Yep.
Ready?
Hey, let's go.
Give it a little shake. Whoa, that one's got a bunch of stuff hanging from the tiny. All right, well, let's put the latches back on, honey. I'm gonna relatch it. Thank you. All right.
Oh, I can see the guys. Look at it. Go. Oh, there's one left. What? Yeah.
I'll see you guys later.
Oh, I can see
All right, we gotta.
the tails.
Look at them all go.
Wait, ready? Ready?
Nice size.
Ready? Let's go.
Let them all go.
They poop when they go. They're making potty. That's awesome. All right, let's latch it back up. Put that in there.
Can you